Welcome to Best by Report. The best castle model is probably one of the most captivating miniature representations of history and architecture. From the imposing stone walls to the meticulously crafted towers and battlements, these models offer a glimpse into a world of knights, sieges, and medieval life. Whether you're a seasoned model builder or a curious enthusiast, the allure of a well-crafted castle model is undeniable. Number 5. LEGO Harry Potter Hogwarts Castle 71043. This incredible LEGO set lets you build a microscale Hogwarts castle. It includes iconic locations like Hagrid's hut and the Whomping Willow. It's perfect for any Harry Potter fan. Inside, you'll find the Great Hall with stained glass windows and moving staircases. The set is filled with intricate details that bring the magic to life. It's a truly immersive experience. The set also features Hagrid's hut, complete with Aragog the spider and pumpkins. It's a great way to recreate some of your favorite scenes. This set is packed with details. The set includes many magical accessories, such as the Sword of Gryffindor and wands. These elements add to the playability and collectability of the set. You'll love them. Recreate thrilling adventures with the Whomping Willow and the flying Ford Anglia car. The spinning branches add an exciting element to the build. It's a lot of fun. What we like. This LEGO set is a detailed replica of Hogwarts, complete with iconic elements. It includes wands, banners, and even the Whomping Willow with the flying Ford Anglia. If you're a Harry Potter fan looking to recreate magical moments, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The details are amazing, capturing the magic of Hogwarts perfectly. It has many of the areas from the movies. The Great Hall, the Chamber of Secrets, with Basilisk, moving staircases, Dumbledore's office, Potions classroom, Defense Against the Dark Arts classroom, even Umbridge's pink office. Add-on items include Hagrid's hut, the Whomping Willow, with car, and boats to travel to Hogwarts. Number 4. CubicFun Dubai Burj Khalifa 3D Puzzle. This amazing 3D puzzle from CubicFun lets you build the iconic Burj Khalifa. It's a fantastic project for the whole family, providing hours of fun and a great sense of accomplishment. Gather your family and friends for a fun activity. It's a great way to spend quality time together and create lasting memories. The assembly process is engaging and rewarding. This model comes with LED lights to make it even more impressive. The lights create a stunning visual effect, especially at night. You'll need 2 AA batteries, which are not included. Looking for a unique gift? This 3D puzzle is a perfect choice for both men and women. It's a cool decoration for any home or office, sure to impress anyone who sees it. The puzzle pieces fit together precisely, making assembly easy and enjoyable. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, so you won't need any tools or glue. Once it's done, you will feel proud of yourself. CubicFun is committed to providing a great shopping experience. Their customer support team is always ready to assist you. They are dedicated to ensuring your satisfaction with the product. What we like. This CubicFun 3D puzzle brings the Burj Khalifa to life with LED lights. It's easy to assemble, making it a great activity for families. If you are looking for a unique decoration piece or a fun project, you should definitely consider this. What people say. Went together perfectly, and lights up and looks amazing. Great quality, simple but not too easy to assemble. LED lighting is very cool, fades between different colors. Number 3. Medieval Castle Model Kit Set. This incredible model kit lets you build your own medieval castle. It comes with everything you need to recreate epic battles from the Middle Ages. It's a great way to spark your imagination. The set includes the castle assembly, soldiers, cavalry, and various weapons. You can set up the scene and imagine the famous battles in ancient times. This set provides hours of fun. 2 children can play together, acting as different teams to simulate attacking and defending. It is a perfect game for developing their intelligence and hands-on skills. They can have a lot of fun with it. You can extend the war field on sand beach or grass ground. This allows you to simulate various famous wars like the Crusade, Constantinople, or Trojan War. Let their imaginations run wild. Constructing this model set is a complex puzzle game, a great work of art for you and your children. It helps improve practical and logical thinking while having fun. It is a great gift for kids. We guarantee the best service. If you have any problems with your order, please contact us. You will get a free replacement or a full refund. We are here to help. What we like. This model kit lets you build a medieval castle and simulate epic battles. It includes soldiers, weapons, and even catapults. If you like historical themes and enjoy imaginative play, this set will provide hours of fun. What people say. Purchase this as a gift for my 5-year-old nephew. He is obsessed with knights and castles and loves all the figurines that came with this castle. Nicely detailed pieces. Great. Informative, easy to follow visual directions. Pieces are packaged together so intelligently, solid quality. Number 2. CubicFun Neuschwanstein Castle 3D Puzzle. Bring the magic of Neuschwanstein Castle to life with this detailed 3D puzzle. It's a fantastic way to recreate a famous landmark and enjoy a rewarding building experience. This puzzle is designed for a relaxing and focused activity. The numbered pieces and detailed instructions make the assembly process easy and enjoyable, taking about 3 hours to complete. This model is an ideal gift for both adults and kids, and it's a great parent-child activity. Once completed, it becomes a cool decoration for your home or office. Made from pre-cut paper and foam board, the pieces interlock precisely, eliminating the need for glue. This makes the assembly process clean and simple. This 3D puzzle lets you bring to life the fairy tale beauty of Neuschwanstein Castle. It's a symbol of romanticism and one of Germany's most famous landmarks, now available for you to build. What we like. This 3D puzzle lets you build the iconic Neuschwanstein Castle. It's easy to assemble and makes a great decoration. If you are looking for a relaxing project or a unique gift, this model is a great choice. What people say. This was much easier than Legos and does make a fairly sturdy 3D model. And the instructions are completely visual, no words, so look really hard to make sure you understand what they mean before you try to stick anything together. And she got a 100% on the build and presentation. So job done all the way around. Number 1. Knight Creed Lost Castle 3D Wooden Puzzle. Introducing the Knight Creed Lost Castle Puzzle. This intricate wooden model kit offers a unique building experience. It's a perfect gift for those who enjoy a challenge. This kit includes 234 pre-cut wooden pieces. You'll spend around 2 hours bringing this castle to life. The finished product is a stunning display piece. Crafted from natural wood, this puzzle is safe and environmentally friendly. The laser-cut pieces ensure smooth edges for easy assembly. It's a great collector's item. This DIY toy is more than just fun, it enhances your skills and creativity. You can enjoy the assembly process with family and friends. It's a great way to bond. The detailed instructions guide you through every step. Everything is clearly marked and labeled. This makes the assembly process as easy as possible. Take a break from the daily grind and relax your mind. Focusing on this puzzle helps you unwind. It's a great way to de-stress and focus. What we like. This 3D wooden puzzle offers a unique and engaging building experience. It's made from safe, natural materials and is designed to be a fun brain game. If you enjoy challenging puzzles and want to relax your mind, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The instructions were helpful enough, but it did help to have a magnifying glass and flashlight handy. Seeing the details come together was really fun for me. The depth of the details is really well thought out and it makes the castle look very cool, even from a distance. Very impressed with the instructions and ease of assembly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.